Greetings, my friends. Once again, Mama E here. I hope you're doing well. We're getting ready to start constructing words in the Luganda language. And we just have to cover 2 more steps today. In this lesson, we're going to talk about the 4-letter syllables used in the words, and also we're gonna talk about Ekinnywindwa. Ekinnywindwa is like speaking from the nose. Okay, so first of all, let's go ahead and give some examples of 4-letter syllables. The first example is nywa. Nywa, like drinking something. Okay, that is NYWA, nywa. Enkya is the second example. Enkya, ENKYA. Nkyali means tomorrow. Okay. The third example is mbwa. Mbwa, that's a dog. So MBWA, mbwa. It's a 4-letter syllables, but it makes only 1 sound. The next example is nkyali. Nkyali is NKYALI. It means I'm still good. The next example is ndwara. Ndwara, NDYALA, to get sick. I get sick. Ndwara. The next example is nswa. Nswa means a little ant, like an insect. All right. Next is ntwala. Ntwala, I'm taking. Ntwala, NTWA. Ntwa, LA, ntwala, I'm taking. Nkwesiga. Nkwesiga is NKWE. Nkwe, and then you add on SIGA. Nkwesiga, like I trust you. Nkwesiga. Okay. So the next one is nswala. Nswala, NSWALA. Nswala. Okay. Nswa, that's 1 syllable. Okay. NSWA. Yes. The next one is nchusa. Nchusa is NKYUSA. I'm changing. Nchusa. Okay. Nchu, NKYU. It's 1 syllable. Then when you add on this SA, nchusa, then it's changing. Ndia. Ndia is 1 syllable. NDYA. Ndia. I'm eating. Okay. And last but not the least is montie. Montie. It means you get scared of me. Montie, like get scared of me. So it's MUNTYE. Montie. Montie is 1 syllable. Alrighty. I'm sure you got that. Go ahead and practice. And the last aspect of pronouncing Luganda words that I want to touch on today is Ekinnywindwa. Ekinnywindwa is EKINNYINDWA. Ekinnywindwa, it means you speak from the back of your throat up into your nose. Like, you know, you can only hear me pronounce these words. Let me give you a couple of examples. Okay. Ekinnywindwa, when you're speaking, like when you say ngenda, I'm going. So you say ngenda. That letter, you can see it on the board. It's like a G, but it's not a G. Kind of like you say singing in the phonetics dictionary. You see singing. You see the phonetics for singing. They use that little letter that looks like a G, but it's not like a closed G. It's not on the keyboard. That's why it's very difficult to write down when we are writing down Luganda language, like in the books. Yes. So The first word I want you to practice is ngenda. I'm going. All right. The next word is nyali. Nyali is the crested crane. It's a bird. Okay, so we call it nyali. You see how I'm pronouncing it from the back of my throat. The last but not the least characteristic that's common in the Luganda word pronunciation is the ny sound. Now that sound is achieved by using your tongue. Like nya or munya means a lizard. Okay, the next example is okunywa, like to drink some water, or kunywa. So kunywa is O-K-U-N-Y-W-A, or kunywa. Or kunyenya, like shake, or kunyenya. So you see how I'm using my tongue. Yes. Or kunyorwa means like to worry in your heart. Or kunyorwa. So that's how you pronounce the ny. In the next lesson, we're going to be constructing words. We're going to be constructing sentences and also short stories and also do some singing. So hang tight. Mama E signing off. See you in the next lesson.